Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai. Mullah Ali A.S. has said, "The death of a scholar is the death of the entire world. Because when a scholar leaves this world and meets his true creator, he leaves the entire world in mourning." If we go deeper into this saying of Mullah Ali A.S., its purpose is that knowledge has such excellence and status that when a scholar leaves this world and meets the hereafter, it seems as if the entire world is deprived of his grace. Although scholars are individuals, they are like institutions that always reside in the hearts of those who appreciate them, due to their skill and art. Just as these people keep the hearts of the living alive, similarly when they die, they make the entire country sad. May 17, 2014, is the death anniversary of a master musician and a great musician. May 17th is a sad day for Sindhi Sangeet Nagar, because today, the day when Kohiral Khan Kohiral created a ruckus in Sindhi Sangeet Gar, the Malkus mourned, the courtiers wept, the surath filled the hall, the strings of the sarmandal, instead of the sixes on both sides, became sixes. The tabla, the melodious instruments, went with the sighs, the rhymes went with the beloved. A year ago, on this day, the world of music was immersed in mourning. On this day in the year 2014, the great singer of Sindhi classical music, the king of melodies and the beggar of nature, Sanghar's son Khan Sahib Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai, closed his bright eyes forever, which had been shining with the passion and love of music for 71 years. From 2014 to 2014, where did Khan Sahib Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai start his journey of love? What hardships did he endure? What hardships did he face with joy? Let's take a look at his life. Khan Sahib Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangrai's original homeland was the state of Rajasthan in the subcontinent. Rajasthan is the second largest state in India, covering an area of 342,000 square kilometers northwest. It is the land of the Rajputs, who ruled Rajasthan for almost 1,000 years. They made great advances against all outsiders, and fought wars with the British Empire. The Rajputs built large forts in the desert region, such as Chittorgarh, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, etc. The history of music in this state, known as the Rajas and Thakurs, is as old as the state itself. In this regard, many musical families belong to this state, whose invaluable members, renowned musicians, sacrificed their lives, sacrificed their sleep and rest, demonstrated hard work and play, and became immortal forever. One of the families of musicians and artists of this land, the Qureshi family, has also settled here for ages. If a list of artists associated with this family is compiled, it will fill a book. A group of people belonging to the Qureshi singing family of Rajasthan migrated from their native land of Rajasthan, like the caravans of Panhal and the amber that spreads the fragrance of the head, first reaching the city of Bahawalpur in Punjab, and then Sindh, bringing with them the chemistry of the head and instruments. The great members of this family, Hira Khan Sahib, Ustad Rahim Bakhsh Khan, brother of Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan, Khan Sahib Ustad Ilahi Bakhsh Khan, father of Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan, and other members of the Bakmal family, came to Sindh and settled first in Tando Jam, then in Kapri Nawab, and then permanently in Sangharai. It is said that we Sindhis are lucky that these invaluable singers became a part of Sindh forever. In this Qureshi family of art, the eternal master of music, and the owner of an immortal voice, Khan Sahib Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai, was also born, whose melodious voice reached from Rajasthan to Sangharai, that is, from India to Sindh, and we are sure that it will continue to resonate from generation to generation. The famous musician of this evergreen family of Sindh, Khan Sahib Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai, saw the world in 1942 in the house of the most powerful sarangi player of his time, Khan Sahib Ustad Ilahi Bakhsh Khan. He was brought up in a musical family, so from childhood, his children's songs and melodious instruments became his toys and accompanied him. Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan was a lover of the sweet melodies of Sangharai music since childhood, but in practice, he used to attend the court of Khan Sahib Ustad Bandi Ali Khan in Bahawalpur and receive musical gifts under his patronage. Turning the pages of history also reveals that before Khan Sahib Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai, He also played the tabla in the company of his talented uncle Khan Sahib Ustad Rahim Bash Khan. Khan Sahib Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai was a complete institution of classical music. He was an example in every genre of classical and semi-classical music, like khyal, thumri, geet, tarani, kafi. Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan had achieved a complete and unique place in Sindhi classical music. In preparation for this article, when I met Mr. Nasir Mirza, the most powerful broadcaster, producer and station director of Radio Hyderabad, I was very surprised to know that Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai, who is counted among the powerful musicians and classical musicians of the subcontinent, was so unaware of the desire to enter the world of radio after a long time. 90s, while many of his contemporaries had already made their mark on the radio waves of the studios of All India Radio before the formation of Pakistan. Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai also blessed many students with his art, who today hold an important place in Sindhi music. His students include Ustad Inayat Ali Khan, son, Ustad Wilayat Ali Khan, son, Rajab Gulzar Ali Khan, son, Akhtar Kushk, Sayyid Wazir Ali Shah, Nazar Muhammad, Hafiz Ismail Hidayat Gulzar, and others. Apart from his artistic life, he was practically endowed with the qualities of a dervish and a Sufi in his life. Along with being a classical musician, he was also a lively personality and an enthusiastic and loving host to everyone who came to his place. Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan Sangharai was awarded the Ustad Manzoor Ali Khan Award in 1984, the Shah Latif Award in 2010, the All Sindh Sangeet Kar Association, Shikarpur, ASA Award in 1995, the Ustad Ali Khan 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 Award in 1996, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2000, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2001, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2002, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2003, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2004, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2004, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2005, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2006, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2007, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2009, the Ustad Ali Khan Award in 2010, Madiri Watan Award from Sindh Tarki Pasan Party, and many other official and unofficial awards, as well as unconditional love and recognition from music lovers. Sindh, the country that spent the best years of its life, the most powerful musician, the closest classical musician, the most talented singer, Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan left his beloved fans in mourning on May 17, 2014. His music in tears, his grief and sorrow, his mourning and sorrow. Gold and Morning Sindh.